With this weekend being Labor Day, which happens to be the unofficial end of summer, many of us will be squeezing in that last-minute barbecue or getting the whole family together for some kind of shindig. After eating burgers and hot dogs with all the usual go-alongs all summer long, I wanted to share a new twist on coleslaw that I think will be very welcome. For the dressing, we combine mayo, some sweet pickles that we've chopped up, a bit of pickle juice, a splash of vinegar, sugar, celery seed, and a touch of salt. As for the type of pickles, they can be sweet pickle chips, baby gherkins, or even sweet and spicy pickles if you want a bit of a kick. Now we toss this with a bag of coleslaw mix, or you can always cut up a head of cabbage and grate some carrot if you want. This is one of those dishes where everyone will try to guess what the secret ingredient is. If you tell them, that's up to you. I mean, what's not to love about creamy coleslaw with an extra burst of flavor that you can only get from our pickles? To get this simple recipe, all you have to do is go to our website and type in Sweet Pickle Slaw. It's that easy. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a picklicious way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.